Hello everyone. So today basically I'm going to talk about the very important aspect that what we are feeding to our mind day in and day out, right? So if we are feeding empowering thoughts, we will be victorious, we will be able to win over our circumstances, and if we are feeding disempowering thoughts, then we will be defeated. We will not be able to win over our circumstances, right? Now, how this feeding of mind happens? Basically, our mind, our body is always in touch with the outer environment, right? And we always gather information from our outer environment. Now, how we gather the informations? We gather this information from outside through five sense organs. So the first one is your taste, second one is smell, third one is sight, fourth one is hearing, and the fifth one is your feelings, right? Here what I am doing is I am collecting all the information from my environment and I do processing of that information. Before giving it to our mind, we process it, and this processing is called as filtering process. In this filtering process, we have three ways through which we do the filtering. One, by distortion, second by deletion, and the third one is generalization. So these are the three different ways through which we do the filtering process. So after this filtering process, what happens? We give the information to our mind. Now what is happening, what I am getting the information and what I am giving to my mind, there is a difference. It's not same, because here I am putting my own filtering process, and that's the reason we say that we are representing the thoughts, we are representing the data to our mind. Now say if any one incident happened in front of me and I have represented it as a negative, disempowering one, then what will happen? I will be defeated. Say I hear that there are so many people who are getting, who are losing their life because of COVID. And the first thing came in my mind is that, I will also die one day. Or what will happen if someone in my family dies? Then what will happen? My life force, my willing to fight will go down. The second one is that, yes, everyone is dying, everyone is getting affected. Even if I get affected, I will be able to win over this challenge. I'll be able to encourage others. When I keep this particular thing in mind, then what is happening? The information is same, but how I am representing to my mind is different. So today we all have to understand this point, that whatever information is there out, that is getting tampered and misinterpreted, mispresented to our mind. And that is the reason at times we go into depression. So please keep this in mind, that whatever information you are gathering, even if it is negative, convert it for a encouraging and empowering thought for you, because that is the only thing which will help you to do, right? Tomorrow I will discuss with you that when I collect the information, how I do the filtering process through distortion, deletion and generalization. So stay tuned and thank you so much. Take care.